Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'd like to start this video off by dedicating it to my baby brother Josh, whom our family lost this past week at the young age of 41. May you rest in peace, brother. We love you and you'll always be in our hearts. In this video, I'm going to go over my concept design Transformers animated Ravage. So what I came up with here is a sort of a amp slash speaker setup, stage equipment here with dual record players here on the top. So you've got this side here, you've got some buttons, you've got Knights of Cybertron here, a speaker grill, and I printed in, didn't realize this, but I printed in a different silver here than this one on the second run, so that's why this is a little lighter. And we turn it around to the side here, you see it says high fidelity, and there's a power plug there. You turn it around to this side, and you've got the same thing as the other side, Knights of Cybertron, with your buttons and everything there. And there's this side here, you get a little bit of what's inside. You've got the bottom there. And again, there's the top with your dual record players. And it just sits like that. Size comparison for them, so it's about waist high for them in this mode here, so perfect for doing some DJ work for your roadies here, your stage crew. And this thing is fairly easy to put together. I'm going to have a version where these larger panels are split for somebody who wants to do multicolor here, because I have this part in 3 colors with the red and the gray and the black. So it's split and I glue it. I also have the regular version where it's not split, and you just print the whole thing in one piece. So let's go over the transformation, because this does transform into Ravage. And the first thing we do is these are clipped in up here, right in there. There's a little clip. These undo them like that, and there's a little tab there that we can undo. Once we get these up and out of the way, we can rotate them a little bit so that we can open this up and reveal all the inside, just like that. And this little clip here will fold up, and then this will all, look, these untap like that. There's a tab here and a little slot right there, and this tab will slot in that slot up there like that. Same to this side like that. And then we've got a tab here, a tab here, and a tab here, and we've got a slot and a slot and a slot, and this will come and fold around like this, and you will line all this up and get this foot out of the way. Line all this up and tab it all together like that. This will come down. This swing arm here will come out, rotate around to the front, tab in place. This will come down like that. So we have that look there. These feet here in the back, they just stay up. They're really tight on their ball joints, but they just unfold. You flip down the feet. These ones here, this will extend a little bit like that, and then you can take that down like that and rotate that down and flip down the foot. Just these ball joints in the back are nice and tight, but tight is better than loose. This side, flip that down, rotate the foot, and then we have my concept design Transformers animated Ravage. And we can look at some of the details here on him. So you got record here. You've got some nice purples on the face. Just like a stop there. Some nice purples on the body, place for a logo, a faction symbol there. There's an adjustable slider here for this foot. You can have it wherever you want, depending on how you have this posed. So you can have one foot straight and the other foot on an angle here, yet have all his feet planted like that. And both sides are knocking guys over here. Get your guitar in your hand. Both sides are identical, so he's symmetrical on both sides. And we can go over the articulation. So he's got an ankle rocker. They're a little loose on the front on me here. I'm going to tighten those up in the final release. And you've got this elbow joint here, I guess you can call that. And you got it. The top is on a ball joint, so it can go up, down a little bit. It can rotate a little bit this way. It can rotate around. All that good stuff. His neck is on a ball joint, so his head can rotate. He can look up a little bit, down a little bit, and he can do a little side to side. He can do like an inquisitive tilt. His back leg is a little more articulated than his front. He's got the upper ball joint here, same as the front. He's got a double jointed knee joint here, so you get about that much range there, and it can go back about there. And he's got the ankle rocker, so you can have his, and the tail is fixed here. There's no articulation in his tail. Let me get that foot planted on that side, that foot planted on that side. Yeah, and that's how he looks from the front. From the back. And again, you can do this in whatever colors you choose. You can do a shattered glass version of him, have a whole army of them. And this is how he scales with these guys here. In robot mode, he gets a lot bigger in robot mode. But that's how he scales. And this is how he scales with Slugfest here. Quite a bit bigger than Slugfest. And this is how he scales with Beastbox. I don't know if I put Beastbox on his feet, I guess. That's how he scales with Beastbox. Right there. Okay. So that is my concept model design for what could have been a Transformers animated Ravage. And yeah, at first I was a little, it took me a while to figure out how I'm going to take this and turn it into this. You know, your dual record players, your DJ setup with your amp underneath. And I wanted it symmetrical on both sides, but in the end we got there. Transformation's quite simple and fun. And the assembly's quite easy to do. He's mostly pins. And he's pretty solid in this mode. Nothing comes apart, nothing shakes loose. So yeah, and for anybody printing this, what I recommend when you print the body parts here, you print them standing up like this, because the way my ball joints are designed, if you print them with the ball joint flat, your layer lines will be weak points and your tabs in your ball joints will break. But yeah. Anyways, guys, that's it for now. When I get around to it, I'll go over the assembly of this guy in a later video. And once that's done, I'll be putting him up on CGtrader, the model set for purchase, along with the rest of these guys. Have a good day.